2026, Toyota has entered the luxury motorhome market in a way that has taken both enthusiasts and everyday travelers by surprise. Known for its reliability, innovation, and forward-thinking design, Toyota has now transformed the concept of a motorhome into something futuristic, practical and luxurious all at once. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It is a moving sanctuary designed for modern adventurers, digital nomads, and families who crave comfort while exploring the open road. From the outside, the Toyota Motorhome commands attention with a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that blends SUV ruggedness with the elegance of a high-end luxury van. The front fascia borrows design cues from Toyota's latest SUV lineup, giving it a bold grille, futuristic LED headlights, and a sculpted body that enhances efficiency and style. Unlike traditional bulky motorhomes, this design emphasizes smooth lines and lightweight materials, which contribute to improved aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Toyota has also integrated solar panels seamlessly into the roof, providing an additional source of clean energy for onboard systems. Stepping inside the motorhome feels like entering a luxury apartment on wheels. Toyota has designed the interior with minimalism and functionality in mind. The living space is a masterpiece of smart design, featuring a convertible lounge that doubles as a dining area and transforms into a full sleeping space with the touch of a button. Premium materials such as soft leather seating, eco-friendly wood trims, and ambient LED lighting create a warm and modern atmosphere. Large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light during the day, while privacy shades ensure comfort and security at night. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is the kitchen setup. Unlike compact RV kitchens that feel cramped, this motorhome provides a full kitchenette complete with an induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, refrigerator, and smart storage solutions. Every inch has been optimized to maximize space without compromising functionality. Whether it's making a quick coffee or preparing a full family dinner, the kitchen makes cooking on the road seamless. The motorhome also features a luxurious bathroom, which is a rarity in many compact RVs. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome comes with a fully enclosed, wet bath that includes a shower, toilet, and sink with modern fixtures. High water efficiency systems are integrated to ensure long-term sustainability, perfect for long-distance travelers who want comfort without waste. Entertainment and connectivity are another area where Toyota has elevated the experience. The motorhome includes a large smart display integrated into the lounge area, perfect for movie nights or connecting to streaming platforms. The cabin is equipped with a 5G hotspot, ensuring that digital nomads and content creators stay connected no matter where the road takes them. Toyota has also added a smart control system that allows travelers to adjust lighting, temperature, and security features directly from a mobile app or onboard touch panel. Performance-wise, Toyota has ensured that this motorhome is not only comfortable but also efficient and reliable. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is powered by a hybrid system, combining an advanced internal combustion engine with electric motors. This provides exceptional fuel economy compared to traditional gas-guzzling RVs while maintaining enough power to handle mountain roads, off-grid adventures, and long highway drives. The motorhome also offers an all-wheel drive option, which adds confidence for drivers tackling rough terrains. Regenerative braking, solar charging, and smart energy management systems ensure that the motorhome is both eco-friendly and capable of long-term, off-grid living. Another key highlight is the modular storage system. Toyota has engineered multiple compartments and slide-out storage options that make carrying gear, bicycles, camping essentials, or even sports equipment extremely convenient. Families and travelers will appreciate how every detail is designed to make life on the road easier and more enjoyable. Safety, as expected from Toyota, remains at the forefront. The motorhome includes Toyota's latest safety suite, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance systems. Multiple cameras provide a 360-degree view for easy maneuvering, while smart sensors assist with parking in tight spaces. What makes the 2026 Toyota Motorhome truly special is its versatility. It is not only a motorhome for long vacations, but also a flexible living space for people embracing the van life movement. Digital workers, explorers, and retirees alike can see themselves in this vehicle, thanks to its combination of luxury, reliability, and forward-thinking design. In a world where travel is becoming more about freedom and experiences, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome embodies both. It represents Toyota's vision for the future of mobility, blending sustainability, luxury, and practicality into one incredible package. Whether you're driving across cities, exploring mountain landscapes, or parking by a serene beach, this motorhome ensures that every journey feels like home.